What is the best method to improve your Scion TC engine horsepower? The answer is a turbo kit. A Scion TC Turbo kit will drastically improve the intake and exhaust airflow of your car's engine, which is equal to incredible horsepower gains. Shopping for the best Scion TC Turbo kit can get stressful if you don't know where to look. That is why I took my time to carefully come up with the list of the best turbo kits for Scion TC available on the market. Let's get started. Number 1. Universal Performance Upgrade Intercooler Piping Turbo Kit. This is a complete package available for a good price. It has all the essential parts capable of producing more than 450 horsepower at 25 plus psi. On a stock motor, this unit will produce and give the engine about 100 to 150 horsepower gain on a low boost setting of 8 psi. Highlighted features: durable construction, capable of boosting horsepower up to 600 HP. V-band downpipe flange pattern, help reduce engine inlet temperature. Number 2, Universal Turbocharged Upgrade T04E Turbo Kit. This product offers all the features you need to take your engine horsepower to the next level. A complete installed kit includes 38mm turbo wastegate, boost controller, T70 turbocharger intercooler and piping kit, fuel pressure regulator, turbo oil feed line, oil return line, and cooling fan. All thanks to its powerful cooling fan which helps prevent heat soaking. Highlighted features: a complete kit at a great price. Durable construction. Excellent cooling system. Wide range of compatibility. Number 3, Single Hot Parts Turbocharger Vortex Silverado. The Single Hot Parts Turbocharger Vortex Silverado kit comes complete with all the essential hardware to be a true bolt-on and go solution. A complete package includes everything from the turbo, 38mm wastegate, downpipe, header, and AEM FIC controller to ensure a reliable plug-and-play turbocharging solution for the Scion. Highlighted features: durable. Almost all the parts carry a lifetime warranty. Comes from a popular brand. Allows for incredible horsepower gains. Number 4, Cabaco Universal Intercooler Straight Couplers. This product is made of high-quality aluminum material. Its surface is well built to prevent rusting, wear, and corrosion. The 2.5-inch piping diameter increases 65% airflow as compared to other standard piping. The Cabaco Universal Turbo Intercooler Kit works to reduce the engine's inlet temperature, which ultimately increases the engine horsepower and turbo response. Highlighted features: made of high-quality aluminum material. 5-inch diameter piping. Easy to install and uninstall. Light in weight. High resistance against corrosion. Number 5, 63AR Turbocharger Manifold Chevy. All Chevy turbochargers are popular because they're smaller and lightweight but produce more power than some larger kits. So, 63AR Chevy turbocharger will not weigh you down. This unit can produce more power than any other Scion TC turbocharger brand of the same size. Highlighted features: high strength and durability. Features a stainless steel hose. High performances tubular turbo racing design. Hard anodized valve. Type R's adjustable aluminum billet. Buying a Scion TC Turbo kit from the top brand listed above will save you from issues that may come with a less reliable branded product. I hope this video helps you boost the horsepower rating of your Scion TC without breaking a sweat. Thanks for watching.